Assalamu alaikum, dear 11th class students. Today we are going to discuss how does India have a strong center or provisions that make India a unitary state. Dear students, the Indian Constitution is federal in form and unitary in spirit. There are some features incorporated in the Indian Federation which make India a unitary state. We may discuss some features as number 1, single constitution for union and states. The single constitution embodied with powers for both center and states make India a unitary state. Number 2, center's power to change name and boundaries of state. Under federal system, the center has no power to alter the boundaries of the state, but in Indian Federation, the center has the power to change the boundaries of state, to create new states, and to change the name of states by a simple majority of the parliament. The third feature is single judiciary. In India, there is a single integrated judiciary with Supreme Court at the apex, a high court in each state and district court at local level. The same code of constitutional, civil and criminal laws are applicable throughout the country. Number 4th feature is single citizenship. Indian citizens have single citizenship and same rights of citizenship, no matter in which state he resides. Number 5th, common all India services. For uniformity and administrative system, the Indian Constitution provides for a common all India services. Number 6 is unitary during emergencies. The emergency powers are vested to the President of India. The effect of declaration of emergency is taken by the center. This feature is against the spirit of federalism. Governor as an agent of center. It is the 7th feature. The governor of each state is appointed by the President of India. It gives opportunity to the union government to exercise undue influence over state administration as the governor functions as head of the state. Special powers of center. Under Article 33 and 34, the Indian Parliament has the power to protect any person in the service of the Union or the state in respect of any act done by him to maintain or restore order, which led to the establishment of Armed Forces Special Powers Act. There may occur sometimes conflicts between the army and the public, but the army has special powers under this act. Moreover, special powers of Rajya Sabha, control over state laws, state's financial dependency on the center, and integrated administrative system are the features which make a strong center in the Indian Federation. So, dear students, this was today's topic, and we discussed the various features, various points which make Indian Federation a unitary and which provide chance to the Indian Union that it has a strong center. That is all. Okay.